Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this Minnie Mouse birthday party decorations. I hope you guys like it. If you do, let's not forget to hit the like button and comment down below letting me know what you guys think. Let's not forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button if you want to get notified every time I post something new. I post every week. So with that said, let's get started into this video. So the first thing I did was grab these foam boards, 6 of these, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line them up, and make sure to line them up straight. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put some tape, and make sure to use a better tape than this one, a stronger one. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach them all together. After that, I'm gonna grab a tablecloth and I'm just gonna put it on top, and I'm just gonna use it as a guide to make the circle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trace it out. Then after I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my knife and cut it out. Then go ahead and grab 2 of these balloons and you're gonna just go ahead and blow them out. Before that, grab 4 of these balloons and put 2 of them together, just like that. Tie them together and then grab all of them and just twist it around and make a set of 4. Then grab your pink balloons and you're gonna go ahead and attach them together, just tie them up like that. Then grab your 4 balloons and just twist it around. Just like that, and there you have it. You have your little ball. Then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hole punch and hole punch a hole. Take a ribbon and place it down. This is what's gonna hold my circle on top. Then I'm just gonna go ahead with the extra string that I had and tape it to the bottom to attach it to the foam board. Then go ahead and grab some crap stick and just glue it together to attach them better. Then just go ahead and attach your circle to your backdrop. And then I grabbed this Sharpie, and where it shows the white part, I'm just gonna go ahead and mark it down so it won't show the white parts. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue doing that until I do the whole thing. Go ahead and grab your balloons and you're gonna go make different sizes of balloon and different colors. Then I went ahead and grabbed my balloon strip. This cost me 99 cents. I will put the link where you could get them as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out and start attaching my balloons different size. You do one big, one small. You just slide it through and you attach them there, you see? And this is the simplest way to do it. Just continue attaching all your balloons until you're done. Then I went ahead and grabbed this little vase and put some foam flower inside. I'm gonna use this Mickey Mouse cutout and the straw. You can always draw the cutout. It's pretty simple to do. Just go ahead and grab your flower and attach it to your base. Just attach it all the way around. Then grab your straw and your Mickey Mouse shape and just attach it with hot glue in the back. Then go ahead and attach one flower on the head of the Mickey Mouse. And that's how cute it turns out. And this is how beautiful everything turns out. You can make these decorations, are very inexpensive to make. My goal is to make something beautiful and not wasting a lot of money and helping you guys out to create something where you don't have to spend all your money. So with that said, let's not forget to comment down below or letting me know what other thing you would like me to come up with. Thank you for watching.